Hi, good morning. It's me, Garbiñe. How are you today? Are you happy? Are you super? I'm wonderful. Today we are going to sing the g g g g song. Are you ready to sing with me? Very good. Here we go. Ready, steady, go. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g g g g g. Very good. Now, are you ready to write this sound? How do we write the g sound? Let's have a look. This is the capital letter g, g, g. And this is the lower case letter. Yes? Very good. Are you ready to sing one more time with me? Yes? Ready, steady, go. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g g g g g. Very good. Now we are going to write some words. Pay attention and listen carefully. Now, can you find something with the g sound at home? Can you find something? Yes? Yes, okay, very good. I'm going to show you something. I've got a frog. Frog. It's a frog. Yes, I'm going to write the word frog. Frog. It's a frog. Frog. Let's repeat it with me. Frog. Very good. Amazing. Okay, the next word is, this is an egg. 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 What? Very good. An egg. It's an egg. Very good. It's an egg. The next word is green. Green. G, g, green. It's green. Very good. G. It's green. Another word is mug. 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 It's a mug. Yes? Mug. Let's write the word. Mug. Be careful. It's a tricky. And the last word is Garbiñe. Garbiñe. Yes. Garbiñe. So can you find something with the g g g g sound at home? Yes. Very good. So I finished the video and we are going to sing the goodbye song. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes? Okay. See you later, alligator. Bye, bye. But